Hello, juniors. Today's task is the Matchmaker. You'll find that on your home page, and if you ever can't find your way back to this page, just clicking on the Xello icon here will take you there. All right, the Matchmaker activity looks at your interests and your likes and your dislikes and compares them to other careers that are out there to help you find a work environment that you're going to enjoy. So, what it will first ask you is, what do you want to do after high school? And if you have not thought about it, just go with not sure yet. That's the most easy approach, and it'll include a broad variety of options for you. If you already know you want to do college or maybe get a certificate or a license, or going to a training program, such as an electrician, this would be the option for you. And if you're thinking military, or maybe I will take a gap year afterwards, or I might just want to keep working while I figure things out, this is an option for you. But either way, if you're completely like, I don't have strong feelings about it, just go with not sure yet, and that will take you to the most variety of options. Once you click Start Matchmaker, you'll notice it gives you very simple questions. And these are various different conditions that you're going to rate either how much you like them or dislike them. Notice there is a not sure option, but I will tell you the more of those that you answer as not sure, the less uh, of a good match your results are going to be, because you're not telling the program anything about yourself. So even if you're like, well, I kind of like doing this with my hands, or that feels tedious, go to like or dislike. You don't have to go to the extremes, but avoid the not sure option as much as possible. And as you answer each one, it will bring up more questions. So this says doing hands-on work, not needing new skills. So it's getting more specific. So do I learn working with my hands, but things I already know how to do? Or maybe I like learning new skills, so I'm going to click like. Learning about using physics. Uh, I don't know. And that might be a good time to do not sure. Maybe you're not really sure what physics includes. Then it's very appropriate to do not sure. But if you're like, well, I don't want to think about that, pause for a minute, take the time to do this well, so that it's not a waste of your time when you get your career matches and you're like, I wouldn't consider any of these. That means you didn't answer the question specifically enough. So be honest with yourself, and no one else is going to see this. This is just for you, and you don't need to do anything with the results at the end. Just make sure that you have results and you answer all the questions to get to the end of the activity.